Hi guys, my name is Dr. Rocker and today I will tell you the most important thing you need to know to improve your comic book drawings. Here we go! Gesture drawings. Practice gesture drawings as much as possible. The understanding of a gesture and its right execution are one of the most important things to master when you want to be able to draw comics. All the anatomy and all the rendering in the world cannot save a drawing with a bad foundation. So make sure to study those as much as you can and only move forward with your drawing once the gesture, also called underdrawing, is accurate. And don't make up excuses. You can draw gestures everywhere. All you need is something that makes a line and something to make a line on. And that was it for today's video. I hope you have been able to learn a thing or two. For more stuff like this, search on my YouTube channel and check out my Instagram account, Dr. Rocker Art. And I will see you guys at Vienna Comic Con, hopefully. Bye!